How to reduce loud sounds for headphones on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is Guide Hacks, and in this video I will show you how to reduce loud sounds for headphones on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we should scroll down and find option Sounds and Haptics and tap on it. In the appearance menu we need to find option Headphone Safety and click on it as well. Now you can see option Reduce Loud Sound. If you want to reduce loud sounds while using headphones, you should switch on option Reduce Loud Sounds. Below appears a line where you can select the level of reduction. For example, you can move this circle to the right or to the left. And that's all. It was how to reduce loud sounds for headphones on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our Guide Hacks channel.